Hello everyone. Today we are going to do some more provisions from PL appropriation account. In the previous video we have done all the provisions. There are 2-3 more which we are going to discuss in today's class. Now you understand that there is a partnership firm. A partner needs a place for its office on rent. The firm needs a place for the office on rent. So instead of going somewhere else, it takes that place for rent from one of its partner. वो पार्टनर से ही एक जगह ले लेता है फॉर रेंट. सो द फर्म विल पे रेंट टू वन ऑफ हिज पार्टनर. तो जैसे ही पार्टनर फर्म को पार्टनर रेंट देती है, at this particular event the partner becomes the landlord of the firm. The partner becomes the landlord of the firm. यानी वो क्या बन जाता है, यानी at this event the partner becomes the third party. And if I ask you all, what is the rent? Rent is an expense for the firm, and nature of expense is debit. So when the firm is paying rent to the partner, as at this particular event it becomes the third party. So in this case this rent will not be included in PL appropriation account. The rent which the partner is receiving, the rent received by partner will not be included in PL appropriation account. Instead, it will be included in profit and loss account. So we are not making profit and loss account. So simply what we have to do, we have to subtract this rent from net profit before transferring it to PL appropriation account. We have to subtract this rent from net profit before it is transferred to PL appropriation account. Again I will tell you one thing. फर्म को एक प्लेस चाहिए ऑफिस के लिए रेंट पर, तो बाहर जाने की वजह से बेटर है इट टेक्स दैट प्लेस फ्रॉम पार्टनर ने कहा मेरे पास जगह खाली है भाई, आप मेरी ही जगह को रेंट पर ले लो. सो द पार्टनर, दिस रेंट विल नॉट बी पेड टू समवन एल्स, इट विल बी पेड टू द पार्टनर. बट इस पर्टिकुलर इवेंट पर पार्टनर जो है वो पार्टनर नहीं रहता, वो क्या बन जाता है, एक लैंडलॉर्ड. और लैंडलॉर्ड बनते ही वो क्या बन जाता है, थर्ड पार्टी. मीन्स समवन हु इज फ्रॉम आउटसाइड द फर्म. केवल इस इवेंट के लिए, ओनली फॉर दिस इवेंट, क्यों बन जाता है, थर्ड पार्टी. और थर्ड पार्टी का जो भी एक्सपेंस होता है वो किस में आता है, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में, ना ही प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट में. राइट. सो हम क्या करेंगे, हम पीएल तो बनाएंगे नहीं, वी डोंट हैव टू मेक द पीएल अकाउंट. So simply we will subtract this rent which is paid by the firm to the partner from the net profit. In the same way there is one more thing. Now loan. अब what is happening? The firm wants some loan. अब instead of taking it from somewhere outside, he takes that loan from the partner, one of the partner or both the partners or all the partners. Now the firm is taking loan from the partner. In return of that, the partner will get what? The partner will get interest on loan. The partner will get interest on loan from the firm. What will happen? The partner will get interest on loan from the firm. See, like this way, the same way. At this event, the partner will become the creditor for the firm. What will he become? He will become the creditor of the firm. Yani again it will be considered as the third party. And interest on loan is also an expense, so it would be debited. It will be considered as a third party. So again, interest on loan will not be included in PL appropriation account. It has to be included in profit and loss account, which we are not making. So what we will do, from net profit we will subtract interest on loan. We will subtract interest on loan, and then we will transfer it, to PL appropriation account for in both the cases. हमने अगर पार्टनर, सिंपल बेसिक क्या हुआ कि अगर फर्म ने पार्टनर को रेंट दिया है तो वो नेट प्रॉफिट में से माइनस होने के बाद PL अप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट में ट्रांसफ़र किया जाएगा. और इसी तरह अगर इंटरेस्ट दिया है, इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन दिया है फर्म ने पार्टनर को, तो वो भी PL अप्रोप्रिएशन में ट्रांसफ़र किया जाएगा, बट नेट प्रॉफिट में से माइनस करने के बाद. एंड वन मोर थिंग यू रिमेंबर, अगर इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन का कोई रेट नहीं दिया है, देयर इज़ नो रेट रिटन, बट इन दैट केस ऑल्सो वी हैव टू गिव इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन, एंड बाय default the rate of interest is 6% per annum. बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट हम हमेशा रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट कितना लेंगे, अगर इफ़ इट इज़ नॉट गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. इफ़ इट इज़ गिवन, वेल एंड गुड, बट इफ़ इट इज़ नॉट गिवन, it would always be 6% per annum. So you have to pay attention to it. And very sum up कैसे करेंगे? To sum up, interest on loan and rent, both are, if they are given to the partners, if in both the case they are given to the partners, so they will be subtracted from net profit, less interest on loan and less rent given to partner. Then that net profit will be transferred in the PL appropriation account. I hope you understood. We'll do a small question after this, so that you will understand the concept better. Now friends, we will understand with whatever I have told you with the help of an example. Again, my motive is just to make you understand. It is a very simple question. These simple questions, you will get an idea that what kind of a question you'll go for your exams, and then by practice you will be able to do all kind of questions. The concept is very important. Now see, there are A and B are equal partners, means what will be their ratio if they are equal partners? 1:1. They will get their profit equally. Then A's capital is 2 lakh and B's capital is 2 lakhs and B's capital is 1 lakh. Interest on capital is 10% per annum. The rate of interest is 10%. Salary to A is 3000 PM, means per month. Commission to B is for 10,000 rupees. Now listen here, the newer provision. B provided his personal property on rent to the firm. उसने अपनी पर्सनल प्रॉपर्टी फर्म को दी ऑन रेंट ऑन 4 जुलाई 2018 फॉर 1000 पर मंथ, यानी अपनी प्रॉपर्टी उसने 1000 रुपये पर मंथ के हिसाब से रेंट पर दी. एवरी टाइम इन अकाउंट्स प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ द डेट्स. कब दी? 1 जुलाई को, नॉट ऑन 1 अप्रैल. कब दिया? ऑन 1 जुलाई. इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स वॉज A की 480, B 520. Then the new thing, A advanced loan for 1 lakh to the firm. A ने फर्म को 1 लाख का लोन दिया. उसका रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट कितना था? 6% पर एनम. एंड कब दिया? ऑन 1 अक्टूबर. प्लीज़ रिमेंबर, अकाउंट डेट्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड देन इट इज़ गिवन दैट द नेट प्रॉफिट इज़ 1,87,000. प्लीज़ रिमेंबर, working notes are a big help. They will help you to make less mistakes and make your question more easy, right? So one by one we'll do it. Interest on capital A. Now what is the this much we can do now. 2 lakh का 10% is how much? 20,000 inside the, and 10,000 for B. Write it inside the margin, add and write it in the amount column. What is salary for A? Salary for A is 3,000 per month, yani for the whole year 3,000 into 12, for the whole year it will be 36,000. Easy. Commission to A, commission to B is how much? 10,000 rupees. Easy. Then interest on drawing to A and B. A को 480, तो सीधे आंसर you have been given 520. The total will be 1,000. Add and write in the outside column. Now, first of all, I have told you that if the partner is giving rent or getting interest on loan, both the cases, if they are getting rent or interest on loan, both will be subtracted from net profit. So please write the net profit inside the column, and then first thing you will subtract will be rent to partner, and the second thing which you will subtract is interest to partner. Now how will we calculate them? Please pay attention. Now B provided personal property on 1st July. So July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. How many months? 9 months. 1 month ka 1,000 rupees rent. Can you see? So how much rent will he pay? 9,000. How much rent will be paid? 9,000. Subtract 9,000 from 1,87,000. What will be remaining? 1,78,000. Right? Then now come, he advanced a loan of 1 lakh rupees. What is the rate of interest? 6%. But why will he give it for the whole year? When did it pay? It gave loan on 1st of October. So October, November, December, January, February, March. It will be how many months? 6 months. So the answer will be 3,000. What is the interest on interest to the partner is 3,000. So the net profit will be 1,75,000. Now add the debit side and the credit side. Please add, and you will get the profit of 1 lakh rupees. Please add and see it. And then you have to say they are equal partners. So A will get 50,000 and B will also get 50,000. Please, both the total should come in the same side. Write the rupees column, close the account. The amount will be 1,76,000 and both the amounts will always be same. Please practice, go through it. Very simple. Interest on drawings, interest on capital, salary, commission. Here net profit में से rent to partner or interest to partners will be subtracted. Then this net profit will be added to interest on. This will be added to interest on drawings. ठीक है? And then the answer is 1 lakh rupees of profit which is distributed equally among the partners. Thank you for now.